What's inside Area 51? In the heart of the Nevada desert lies one of the most secretive places on Earth, Area 51. But what exactly is inside, no one really knows. Area 51 is located near Groom Lake, Nevada. It's a remote military facility that officially didn't exist until 2013. The U.S. government says the base is used to test military aircraft. The U-2 and SR-71 spy planes were reportedly developed here. Surrounded by sensors and armed patrols, Area 51 is completely off limits. Even airspace above it is restricted. In the 1950s, civilians began reporting strange lights and flying saucers near the base. Were these just experimental planes or something else? In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar claimed he worked inside Area 51 on a recovered alien spacecraft. Lazar described 9 alien crafts, hangars carved into mountains, and an anti-gravity propulsion system not from Earth. The government denied everything. Lazar's records mysteriously vanished. Was it a cover-up or a hoax? Lazar also mentioned a mysterious element 115, that powered the crafts. Years later, scientists actually confirmed its existence. Others who claim to work at Area 51 have hinted at underground labs, alien tech, and unexplainable phenomena. In 2019, a joke on Facebook turned into a real event. Storm Area 51. Millions were curious. What are they hiding? Conspiracy theories suggest alien autopsies, crashed UFOs, reverse engineering programs, and time travel experiments. Though highly restricted, satellite images show new hangars and runways. What's being built now, 80 years later? Is Area 51 simply a high-tech lab or something out of this world? To this day, no outsider truly knows what's inside. Until the day the doors open, the mystery of what's inside Area 51 remains unsolved, hidden beneath the sand and silence. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to Mysteries and Beyond.